Ready to unlock the secret to effortless marketing and skyrocket your customer engagement? Let's dive into how to schedule campaigns like a pro using Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the campaign section. In the left-hand menu, this is your mission control for all your automated marketing efforts. Now, click on the Create Campaign button to start building your automated masterpiece. You'll be prompted to give your campaign a clear and descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later. Next, select the type of campaign you want to create. Aisensy supports various channels like WhatsApp and SMS. Choose the one that aligns with your target audience and campaign goals. This is where the magic happens. In the scheduling section, carefully select the date and time you want your campaign to launch. Don't forget to choose the appropriate time zone to ensure your messages reach your audience at the perfect moment. Fine-tune your targeting by segmenting your audience. You can choose from existing lists or create new ones based on specific demographics, interests, or behaviors. This ensures your message resonates with the right people. Now, craft your message. Use Aisensy's rich text editor to create engaging content, including personalized elements like your customer's name, to make your campaign even more impactful. Before you activate your campaign, take a moment to review all the details: your message, audience, and scheduled time. Once you're happy with everything, confirm and schedule your campaign. And that's it. Aisensy will automatically launch your campaign at the scheduled time. Monitor the performance in the campaign dashboard to gain valuable insights and optimize your future campaigns for even greater success. Now go forth and conquer the world of marketing automation with Aisensy.